welcome to ActivitIAN. Today we are going to learn about the farm animals. Okay, first we are going to do the barn house puzzle. Ian is going to put the barn house together so the farm animals could go in. Alright, let's do the puzzle. Come on, put the barn house together.
Like that, Mommy.
Good job.
Like that. Like that.
Alright.
Oh, like it.
Nope, turn it around. You were right the first time. Yeah. And then turn this one.
No.
Ta-da!
Like that, Mommy.
Here is our barn house. Wait, I'm gonna tape it together first, so then the animals can go inside the house, okay?
Look, I'm putting it in the barn house.
Good job. Put it right here. Okay.
Oh, right here.
Okay.
Oh, my God, how it burns. E-I-E-I-O.
On the farm there was a pig. What does the pig say? Here, it can go inside the house now. Yay!
Right here.
Okay.
I don't know how it burns. E-I-E-I-O. What does it say?
Ba,
Ba,
ba.
ba.
Here it goes.
Mommy,
Hmm?
it's over here.
Okay.
I'm going to put him in. I'm ready to put him in.
Okay, next.
I don't know how it burns. E-I-E-I-O. How it burns. Here milk.
Good job.
They are dirty. Oh, my don't know how it burns. E-I-E-I-O. How it burns. There is milk.
Okay.
Oh, my don't know how it burns. E-I-E-I-O.
On the farm there was a dog. What does the dog say? Yeah. Put him inside the barn house.
Back.
No, you want to go in the barn house with everybody.
Mama, don't want everybody.
Okay. Oh my
Don't
God.
have for E-I-E-I-O.
On the farm there was a donkey. What does the donkey say? Good job.
Like wooden boys.
Really?
No, Mommy, you sing it.
I sing it. Oh, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On the farm there was a cat. E-I-E-I-O. What does the cat say?
Mommy, what did that cat say?
Meow, meow.
Don't know how it works. E-I-E-I-O.
On the farm there was a...
No, you.
Okay, you say. Quack, quack.
Oh, my don't know how that turns. E-I-E-I-O.
On the farm there...
Oh, there's a horse. What did the horse say?
Nay, nay.
Oh, my don't know how it burns. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, it burns. There's a donkey. What did the donkey say? Oh,
Gobble, gobble.
oh, my don't know how it burns. E-I-E-I-O.
On the farm there was a chicken. What does the chicken say?
Look. Yay, I'm done.
Yay! We got all the farm animals in the barn house. Hey, those were all the barn animal sounds.
Thank you, everybody, for watching.